Toy. Nakakatamad. Tinatamad ako. Hi, JR. Pwede hindi. Alam mo, promo, nakikita ko yung comment mo. Pero iniisip ko, yung ibibigay mo sa akin, ilibre ko na lang sa'yo. So, nakatulong pa ako sa'yo. Yung ibibigay mo sa akin, libre ko na lang sa'yo. Ibibigay ko na lang din sa'yo. So, wag mo na i-send. Nakikita ko yung comment nyo, guys. Legit. Hi, Lagalag. Hi, Ellie. Leanne finally understood how difficult pregnancy really is. He couldn't help but feel for VA, so he immediately shared more than half of his nipples with her, thinking that eating more might ease her discomfort. VA was touched, but she had to remind herself not to have unrealistic expectations. She and Leanne were just contractually married. They would separate eventually. Yet what happened next May? Beijing's defenses start to waver. That day, her mother called, saying she was going to Seoul for a wedding tour and wanted Beijing and Leanne to come home. Many relatives wanted to meet her impressive son-in-law. May felt very conflicted. She thought Leanne wouldn't like such gatherings and didn't want to trouble him. So the next day, she went alone to a hotel her mother mentioned. Lapit na ka mag-end live. Leanne's absence to her mother. She unexpectedly saw Leanne accompanying his mother to Zolgan. Leanne showed no airs of a wealthy man, leaving a great impression on the guests. Saan po kayo, ate? Sa bar. Nasa bar ako. Hi, Drew. Taga Cebu po kami. Wala akong pake. Joke lang. Ilan taon ka na? 30. 30 na ako, guys. Ganun, no? Hi, Nigel. After the wedding, Leanne finally saw everyone under the bus. Mother came from fonder of Leanne as a son-in-law. She had worried Leanne. Hi, guys. Saan bar yan? I-VIP kita. Joke lang, nasa bahay ako. Hi, Sky. Hi, G. Payat ko, no? Payat ko, diba? Hi, Just PM.
Lapit na ako mag-end live, guys. Hindi ko maano. Wala kasing nagpapagano, no? Magto 2 hours ako. End live na ata ako. Nares na ba ka? Let me see. 2 minutes na lang? Anong grade mo, ate? Magta third year na ako, guys. 2 minutes na lang. Ay, 3 minutes. Thank you, Lucky Me. Grabe, laking tulong yan. 1M. Grabe, pinaldo ko, guys. 1M. Balagbag. Anong per grade balik? Ha? Ano daw? Grabe, lakas nila Lucky Me. 1M. Good eve, Ambi. Oh, grabe, pinaldo ko ni Ambi, oh. Ayun, isa pa yan yung SBIP 4 na yun. Ay, VIP 3 pala. Bablock ko na yun. Nagpa-unblock siya para ma-unfroze. Dinadaan-daanan na lang ako, guys. Block ka sa akin, be. Two minutes na lang. Hi, Jake.